I know we are in a world where everything looks complicated: life, relationship, work, people, things, and so on. That may be your experience. You might have become used to it. But every time distractions come, remind yourself of your primary reason for being here. Suppose you're at work, feeling the weight of deadlines, office politics, and the pressure to succeed. It's easy to get lost in the hustle. Or take relationships, for instance. How often do we complicate them by holding on to grudges, harboring unmet expectations, or forcing ourselves into marriage because of pressure from family or friends? Even in our spiritual lives, the world has a way of complicating what should be simple. Many people in churches and religious communities today are more concerned with material wealth and status than the spiritual well-being of themselves or others. If Jesus, whose life so many of us aspire to emulate, lived free from such distractions, why are we complicating our lives with those things? Why are we entangled in the fleeting things of this world? And I don't mean you should abandon what is good or stop striving to achieve your goals. I just mean you should have a simplicity mindset. You should live your life without the desperation that often drives many into stress and anxiety. Remember that life, though short, can be lived in peace and fulfillment when we focus on what truly matters. Jesus showed us that simplicity doesn't mean lack. It means freedom. Freedom from the constant chase after things that don't ultimately matter. So, cut the fat. Remove unnecessary possessions, toxic relationships, or harmful habits from your life. Live simply, live godly, and let go of the complications that weigh you down. See you again. God bless you. Read next, Embrace the Positive, celebrating the good people in your life. If you enjoy this post, kindly share with someone. Thanks for your support. Will you like to write a book, share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book? Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookmindsgmail.com. Get my books on Amazon, my Amazon books. If you want customized songs for you or your loved one's birthday, wedding, or any ceremony, Ize Music got you. Contact sopiansofgodgmail.com. You can also check out these posts. 1. Your gift makes fulfilling your purpose easy. 2. Everything you need is in the hands of people. 3. 7 surprising ways to lose weight. 4. What to do when you are confused. Kindly drop your comments. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.